I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner Network Magazine. We're in Philadelphia at the 2018 Automation Fair event where all the best companies in industrial automation are here in one place so we can see all the best technology. One of those top companies is Stratus, and I'm talking to Frank. So Frank, for people who aren't familiar with the company, tell us what you do.
Stratus provides fault-tolerant computing infrastructure for industrial automation and edge environments that's operationally simple and easy to maintain.
And when we did this video a year ago at the 2017 Automation Fair, you talked about your FT server. What are you doing new this year?
Well, the FT server is a fantastic product, and it continues to be something we sell a lot of. But we have introduced a new solution that brings what you're looking for from Stratus, availability and virtualization, to the very edge of the network. It's called the zero-touch computing solution. And as you can see here, it's built in an industrialized form factor that can withstand higher temperatures and dirtier environments. But it's still like the Stratus FT server, operationally simple. Plug-and-play components and performance monitoring that's continuous.
So it's always up and running?
It's always up and running.
Okay, well there's a lot more to learn about how this can help you, so go to the URL you see on your screen and find out how this technology might be able to help out your operations. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor with the Journal Magazine at the 2018 Automation Fair event. We'll see you next time.